Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our video on our AI update of the news that has been happening in the last week. So, you all know about our newsletter that we share every Monday, and I'm going to run you through the major news. The big thing about was the AGI, artificial general intelligence, and there were a lot of feedback from the world leaders about AGI, and specifically Sam Altman of OpenAI talked about this as well. The first thing was the developments was about the energy requirement, as you can see, and they highlighted in the WEF that happened in Davos that there is a need of energy breakthrough for the advancement of AI. He emphasized that the AI system in the future will consume much more power than currently anticipated, necessitating the development of more climatic friendly sources like nuclear fusion or cheaper solar power. So, as we all know, that more and more processing power is going to get required, and as we have more and more powerful LLMs, we need to focus more on getting the power generation fixed. And this was one of the things that Sam Altman talked about. Even DeepMind effort, they mentioned that the researchers at Google DeepMind mentioned that they are working what actually defines AGI. They suggested that it can be two ways. It can be for general purpose and high achieving, capable of learning range of tasks, assessing its performance, and seeking assistance when needed. So this is one thing that they are trying to do, and they are focusing on clarifying what AGI can do rather than how it operates, given the current limited understanding of the working of the advanced LLM models like LLM that are there. So these are the things that are really happening, and also there was a talk about this level of achievement of AGI. Specifically, this was it has five levels basically. Level 0, no AGI, to level 5s, and superhuman. And these things are right now that we have like ChatGPT, Bard, and Llama 2 are classified as level 1 emerging AGI. This framework is a step towards a consensus that constitutes the AGI. And this is very, very important that they have to have that level done. And also, Mark Zuckerberg, how can he be left behind? He also talked about his ambitious AGI project, wherein his plans to build and get NVIDIA H100 GPUs, that is, uh, and also getting the metaverse. So, how they can combine the vision of metaverse and virtual reality, and also they mentioned that they are also working on Llama 3. Not much details came out about that, and these are some of the things that they were discussing specifically with when Bill and Sam Altman were talking about. They dwelled into the philosophical implications of achieving AGI. Gate actually expressed concerns, Bill Gates, about AGI, including the potential for misuse, the system's autonomy, and the impact on human purpose and societal organization. But these things were happening, and Mark and all the tech people are super optimistic about these technologies, and they have to evolve with the AI, and they have to personalize how these AI tools can work in their environment. And also some of the other news about in OpenAI that when asked about the future of OpenAI, and he talked about more of improving the GPT-4 model to improve the reasoning ability and reliability for this thing, and also enhancing these AI understanding of the individual users through personalization and customizability using their personal data like email, calendar, notes, which is going to be very, very crucial for the future development. And also it regarding the some updates about the OpenAI's military applications, which was updated. Before it was not allowed, and now they have rephrased the policies that you can also use it for positive impact and not for anything negative and to harm the society. One major update, and one of the things that is also there regarding the Samsung uh, phone. So we know that the Google had launched their first LLM for mobile for chips for small tab. That is the Google Gemini. The Gemini is for tablets, and it has this phone. The Samsung S24 has this particular phone, and the best thing is about this phone is the real-time translation. I will just play this quick video. We can just have a wonderful look at this demo. So these are some of the developments that were there. Note assist is there, circle to search. There are a lot of new features, and also they have inbuilt a the chip inside the phone, so they don't need to even be connected to the cloud. These translations, the AI powered images. There were a lot of things that they talked about the images as well. And now the ad is playing. So let me just. Uh, After this ad, you will see how wonderful it is. So this one, the camera is here, in the AI is there. So you can see this example where they talked about there was a shadow here. If you can see or the reflection in the glass when this photo was taken, but now with the help of AI, they have removed this, and also filling the images. Suppose this person is putting the throwing the basket, he can be put a little bit. He can be shifted on the top, and the image can be filled and it looks so realistic. So these additions can happen, and also there are a lot of things in the image section where they can AI can edit on the go, on the fly, and give suggestions that are there. So in the translation to different languages and the image editing, AI editing, and all these is an amazing launch. And Samsung 24 has S24 is one of the pioneers in getting this AI tech into the market, and you will see more and more the iPhone 16 and the new models are going to incorporate these tech more and more, and this is going to be in the mainstream very soon. And also the sources of this particular news, I'll also share it on the link. And this is also a very great interview where when asked about the cases that are happening against ChatGPT, people are saying that ChatGPT are learning from different data of others, and there is a lot of copyright issue. And he told that you have to for ChatGPT to evolve, it has to evolve in uncomfortable ways. He said that they don't want to train in so much data out there. They want to train in limited data, and it is very tough. Like even though they are not taking data from New York Times or from any of the copyrighted news website, but if someone copies that source of that website and puts on his website, and that is web scrape, so it is very tough to identify who is the exact owner, and these copyright cases have to be dealt with. So he mentioned that we have to evolve. This is a very new technology. End of the day, they want to make a very good large language model that understands and helps people in solving their needs and business problems. So this is a very good interview that he has given, and I will also share this with you guys in the comment below. So now coming to the other news that is there, that Amazon Fire, they have launched their generative AI inside their Fire TV, and also for their some of the shoppers' questions. So in their website that is there, can answer shoppers' question about the product by summarizing information from the product review and listing. So If they have any question about the product, so they can the AI can be used to take information from the exact review and listing, and also the new fire you can use AI to generate wonderful images back there, wonderful background for your Fire TV that are there. One of the local news from our UAE region, Mabuzai has launched one new AI model that can master handwriting styles, but there is a lot of positive use cases as well as negative use cases if people can misuse it for signatures and for other things. So we have to see. They are very careful in rolling it out to the public, but it is a good announcement, and the accuracy level is supposedly great. And this details are there in this article that is there. So Runway is coming up with very good image. It is one of the pioneers in the image models, and their multi-motion brush is amazing. With the demo, if you can see that you can before you could only change one type of view, but now you can do multiple type of views that are there. And for exciting news for the Apple Vision Pro users who are waiting away patiently for this, it is going to be announced very soon for ordering, and this can help track your eye movement and adjust the focus of display accordingly. And it also uses AI to up the resolution content so that it looks sharper on the headset display. So the options for ordering this is going to come soon. And about our hackathon, the details are here as well. So you can also, people are interested in hackathons in jobs, in internships, can also register for this hackathon at decodingdatascience.com/hack, which is with a partnership with the applied AI intelligence company. We have launched this particular thing. So these are some of the major news this week that we have shared, and thank you all for listening in, and do like and subscribe. And also these every Monday we have a newsletter out that talks about the latest happening. Thank you for your time and have a great day.